In this video, we're going to talk about using shortcuts in vScription VR. Shortcuts can be used to insert saved blocks of text into your documents, saving you time from dictating the same thing over and over again. To add or make changes to your shortcut, click on the vScription extension icon and then click on Shortcuts. This will open the Shortcuts editor window. We'll start by adding one. Click on the Add button. We'll enter a name for your shortcut in the name field. We'll call this melanoma follow-up. Enter your shortcut information in the shortcut text field. In this example, I'm going to paste in a sample melanoma follow-up plan. When you're done, click on Save. You'll now see the shortcut in the list. If you want to edit any of these shortcuts, just select the one to edit and click the Edit button. Make your changes and click on Save. To use the shortcuts, click the star icon on the sidebar to open the Shortcuts pop-up. You may notice some additional shortcuts in this list that you didn't see when we added our shortcut. The reason for this is any organizational shortcuts show at the top of the list. If you're a part of an organization using vScription or SayIt, your administrator may have added some global shortcuts that are available to any users in your organization. If you have a lot of shortcuts, you can search for the one you need by using the search box. When you see your shortcut, click on the field where you want it to go and simply click the shortcut to insert it into your document. Well, that covers shortcuts. We have a number of other vScription tutorial videos, so be sure to check those out.